What's up YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the 08 R32. So today we're going to talk about the ignition cylinder. And you know, obviously this one failed. This is the original one that came with my vehicle 112,000 miles later. And part 1K0905851 Bravo is what comes in that vehicle. At least for mine it did. Now, FCP Euro sold me this bad boy with the 1K0905841. So obviously you could see the changes there, 841 and 851, a little different there, but it works. And you know, the kit comes with these. I did originally have to resend the original one that they sent me back to them because it was already pushed up, and so technically it's already defaulted from the factory, so I had to go back to the manufacturer for them to refix. So they sent me a new one, and that's what went in my car. But then I started thinking, since I had already had ordered bolts and my new kit came with bolts, do I really want to deal with this? And so I started thinking like, hey, I don't want to circumvent the wheel. So off we went to get some titanium ones. And so some M8 1.25 pitch and length of 20. And that solved my conundrum of if I ever have to deal with this ever again, well, guess what? I don't think I will. So yeah, these work, honestly. They are a lot faster, a lot better, and it's, well, it kind of sucks I didn't put it in the other hole, but yeah, obviously, it's there. It's not going anywhere, so just giving you guys a heads up if you guys are going to tackle this bad boy. I didn't reuse the original, you know, part that came with the cylinder and all that. I just used what came with the new kit, and it worked like a champ, and feel like a brand new car. Now I got a steering wheel lock again, and no dead battery overnight, which was nice because it couldn't close the circuit somehow. Even though were able to pull the key out, it still would cause battery drainage issues. So that solved the riddle. I don't know if you guys have the same experience out there for the Mark V R32. Can't speak for GTI or any other year, make, model for this year for that chassis. So you know, that's just my 2 cents and my success story. So yeah, I don't revisit this. Just upgrade. Save yourself the headache if you plan to keep the car for a long time, and if you ever have to revisit, at least it's this versus dealing with this sheared head. So just my 2 cents. Whatever tickles your fancy, that's on you guys. Anyways, it's always a pleasure. You know, if you like the channel, you know, subscribe, hit that like button, comment below. I'll talk to you guys then.